Hey y'all, it's me, Mike Zach, and I have another Mel Science Chemistry thing. Today we're doing the we're doing oxi-hydration, and it will make a candle explode right there. So we have a candle in a cork, and we have this area right here. So for this, we're going to use some sodium hydroxide and we're going to put it in here, about halfway filled up. And so now we are going to put this plastic bottle, which actually almost melted the last time I did this, over this. Good job. And so now we're going to hook this red piece up to this piece of coil, which heats up the water in this in the little tube. And then now we hook up the last battery. By the way, these batteries are like overheating. All right. And now we are just going to wait for this to boil, which it seems it's about to already, it's already heating up, because the last time it was already heating up all the way. So now we're just going to wait for this to turn blackish, and that's whenever we know that it's good. And okay, alright. Wait, did you? Okay. Alright, I think it's, starting to blacken up, so I think, just a little more time, and we will wait for this plastic to gas up a little bit more. It's actually gassing up on this side, though.
Right. How can you tell if it's gassing up?
On the other side, it's on literally every other side than this one, it's starting to gas up. Alright. So now we're going to maybe see if it will work right now. Whoa! And that's oxi-hydration. That actually startled me. That was way larger than last time. Alright, that was way larger than it was last time. That was freaking... That was an explosion, basically. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time.